Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill. This is the bottom, 8-piece. And you got the diamond dust with diamond cuts. Got 6 open teeth on the front and 1 solid on each side. It's a beautiful grill, guys. It's handmade. It's 925 sterling silver with gold plating. Here's the back side, designed to fit perfectly. It is a handmade piece. Check that out. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. Check it out, guys. Designed to fit perfect. You can do the bottom, you can do the top, you can do the top and bottom set. Up to you. Well, thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.